Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. This one is by Belching Beaver Brewery. It's called Here Comes Mango IPA. That's what the can looks like. Last train home. It's got a date on the bottom called 7/3. It's got a date on the bottom. It is 7/3/19, and today is 7/31/19. So it's less than a month old. And this one comes in at, let's see here, 6.6% ABV. Once again, that's what the can looks like. Let's get it cracked open and see what we got here. I've had a few other Belching Beaver beers before. It's been kind of hit and miss with them. Hopefully this one will be better than the first couple I tried. The last one was okay that I had. Something Deftones or something like that IPA was pretty decent. I actually enjoyed that. So got a monster frothy creamy head here, and we have a pretty slightly hazy kind of yellow color, maybe a light amber, slightly hazy, as you can see. No bubbles coming up from the bottom. Yeah, no bubbles. Slightly hazy, a little bit unfiltered looking maybe. Slightly unfiltered, who knows? Barely see the beer through it. Alright. Let's get an aroma on this puppy. Okay, right up front we're getting some citrusy notes, mainly mango. The aroma's better off the can, by the way. And some pineapple, orange. It's kind of tropical smelling, but mainly mango, orange, and pineapple is what I'm getting on the aroma. Head's turning pretty rocky there. Let's leave some lacing on the glass. Let's get a hit. Cheers. One more time. Taste follows the aroma. I'm getting a pretty big mango taste in there. It doesn't taste like the kind of mango you would get, like kind of citrusy notes you get from a hop or anything. It kind of tastes like they maybe added some mango juice to it or something. I'm getting a lot of mango and pineapple for the most part. Maybe some lemon in there. Yeah, but pretty much all mango and pineapple is what I'm getting on this puppy. Let's get another hit and see if we can find something else here. Yeah, it's kind of like tropical, but it would be like tropical. It tastes kind of like a New England style, but more like on the mango side. And it's kind of missing some of the other like major tropical fruits that you'd find, like tangerine and grapefruit and stuff like that. It doesn't have that in there. It's mainly, I taste mainly three components: mango, pineapple, and orange. and some kind of a sweetness in there. It's probably the malt. Let's do it one more time. We'll wrap it up. Cheers. Yeah, that's pretty much all I get. On a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I'll give this puppy a 4.1. It's pretty damn tasty. It's holding great head retention, as you can see. It's got a medium mouthfeel. It's pretty tasty. I paid like, was it 12 bucks out the door for a 6-pack of this? Yeah, this is pretty yummy, actually. It's different. I might even be getting like maybe a papaya note in there, maybe, or slight guava. That's pretty tasty. Yeah, 4.1 out of 5. And I'll have the full description of that in the description section at the bottom of the video there. And that's what we got on this puppy. One more time, we'll wrap it up. Cheers. Yep, that's what I got. All right, everybody. Y'all take it easy. We'll catch you later. See ya.